taking a walk with Mr. G to see some things, and we'll see what we see. Do. Oh, I was also going to tell you, I'm on the trail that will be our first family hike, our outdoor exploration. And so you'll get to see these plants, both the native and non-native and invasives in action when we go on our hike. And whoa, look at that big old live oak. Here's a good example of how Ligustrum, Ligustrum lucidum, otherwise known as Waxleaf Ligustrum or glossy privet. Here's an example of how it crowds out plant species. So this is a juniper tree, Juniperus ashii. But look at this ligustrum that's just growing up through the center of it. And you can tell somebody has tried to chop this tree down, but look at how it comes back. Just so many trunks, and they're going up past the Juniperus ashii, up into the canopy, and actually when you look around, they are all over. They're all over out here. This is a ligustrum. This is a ligustrum. This is a ligustrum. But what do we have here? Here we have, this is our friend Nandina Domestica. And I say friend because it is a beautiful, pretty plant, but it is invasive in this area. It is crowding out native plant species. So not only is it non-native, but it is an invasive plant. And then right here next to it, we have the glossy privet, otherwise known as ligustrum, scientific name, Ligustrum lucidum, waxleaf ligustrum, some people call it. And so here, back in the 60s and 70s, when people were planting ligustrum in their yard, they never expected that it would take over the wild spaces. So the invasive species crowd out our local plants, but they're also pretty. I mean, come on, you can't say a Nandina isn't pretty. But we do have to manage them. And cities like Austin spend a lot of money trying to keep those invasives from crowding out the native species that evolved here. And these non-native invasives have found a little niche that they can exploit. And with Nandina and ligustrum, it's mainly that the birds love their seeds. Not something humans should eat, but the birds love them and spread them. And, so that's where it is. Okay, last thing I promised, but look what I found. Somebody's been out here clearing ligustrum. Ooh, and more live oaks up here. Okay, that was really it. Bye, love you.